Crypto meets politics in a headline-grabbing move. Trump Media and Technology Group is partnering with Crypto.com to launch a line of Made in America ETFs. And the market is reacting fast. This isn't just another ETF drop. It's a convergence of finance, tech, and political power that could reshape crypto's public image. But there's a twist, and a major controversy involving 70 billion CRO tokens. Let's break it all down. On March 24, 2025, Trump Media announced its intent to team up with Crypto.com. By April 22nd, the deal was finalized. The goal? Launch a family of exchange-traded funds under the Truth.fi brand. These ETFs will blend traditional American industrial securities, think manufacturing, energy, with crypto assets like Bitcoin and Crypto.com's own token, CRO. Launch is expected by the end of 2025, pending SEC approval. Trump Media's CEO, Devin Nunes, says this is a leap into the future of finance, a way to monetize beyond Truth Social's limited ad revenue. TMTG lost $400 million last year, earning only $3.6 million in ads. So now they're leaning into fintech with Truth.fi, filing trademarks for products like the Truth.fi Bitcoin Plus ETF and the US Energy Independence ETF. Meanwhile, Crypto.com is bringing the tech custody compliance, crypto supply and trading infrastructure, all via its US-based Forest Capital broker-dealer. The market jumped on the news. TMTG's stock rose 9% on March 24th, with another bump after finalization. Although it's still down 31% for the year, this deal brought some fire back. But the real fireworks, CRO Crypto.com's native token surged 30% on day one of the announcement, hitting 10.75 cents, with trading volume exploding by over 1,300%. Here's where it gets messy. Just before the deal, Crypto.com made a bombshell move. They reissued 70 billion CRO tokens that had been burned back in 2021. Community backlash was fierce. On-chain investigator Zach XBT called it no different from a scam. Why? Because burning tokens is a deflationary move. Bringing them back dilutes supply and trust. The reissuance passed a community vote with 62% in favor. But here's the kicker. Over 95% of active validators voted against it. Critics say this suggests vote manipulation, likely via heavy token-weighted votes from centralized wallets. The community is asking, if tokens can be reminted at will, what's the point of decentralization? Chris Marszalek, CEO of Crypto.com, defended the decision, saying the funds are earmarked for strategic growth, including the ETF initiative. He promised these reissued tokens will be vested over 10 years, minimizing short-term impact. He also cited Crypto.com's strong fundamentals, $1.5 billion in 2024 revenue, and a recently closed SEC investigation with no enforcement action taken. Politics play a big role here. Trump's SEC is now led by Paul Atkins, a known crypto advocate. With a 3-to-1 Republican majority, ETF approvals seem more likely than ever. That said, no formal filings have been made yet, so it's still a waiting game. This isn't just a finance story. It's about the future of crypto integration. With TMTG's political brand and Crypto.com's global reach of 140 million users, these ETFs could draw in a new wave of retail investors. But CRO's credibility crisis could spook institutional players, and politically themed ETFs may alienate broader investors. The Trump Media x Crypto.com partnership could be the most talked about ETF launch in years. It blends star power, innovation, and controversy, all in one. Whether it's a revolutionary leap or a risky bet depends on SEC approvals and whether Crypto.com can rebuild trust after the CRO token backlash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Link in bio.